Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Chef Davido, and today we are going to learn how to make steamed cabbages. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Welcome. We are going to start with a little oil. Add little onions. A little. Don't let them to turn into brown. Then put some cabbages. Mix them slowly, story by story. After a few times, add your carrot. Add some carrot. Mix them story by story. You see how they look beautiful. They look so sweet. Then add little some paprika, green paprika. Add some little salt. Then put some danias, make flavoring. Stir them completely. And don't let them take time because we need them to be steamed. Then I think now they are ready. We have to transfer them to a plate where they will be ready to be eaten. Then we are going to transfer them here. You see how they are beautiful. They look so sweet. Now this is what we call steamed cabbages. And they are always sweet and healthy. Sweet and healthy. So sweet. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share.